Hello student, today we will learn how to make a program, make a Python program to find largest of three numbers. So to make this program, let us move to VS Code. And here I'll create a file first. So I'll write it largest dot py, and then here you can start your program. So largest, I'll put it in comments, largest of the three numbers. Largest of the three numbers. So here I'll start my variable initialization, declaration initialization. So I'll put it as a equal to 10, b I'll put 20, and c I'll put as 30. And now here you can apply your test condition by using if elif. So if a greater than b and a greater than c, you will have to make a comparison with both. If it is, then you can print here, print a, print the largest number is, you can print a, the largest number will become a. And now once you have done this, do the same thing in elif with the b. Now put it elif, means if the first one is not correct, then it will be testing out for b, and b will be tested out for a and c. So a and this will be c. So here the largest number will become b, and after this you can put one more, that is for c, and here you can test out c greater than a and c is greater than b, then the largest number will become c. But there can be a situation, and that can be else condition, and in the else condition you can print all are equal, all are equal with value. You can show here value as well, and that value will be any number. I mean, you can put a, b, c, anything, and then you can put here over of the program, and you can put here main or start main. And now when you will run this program, you will get the output for this. Run this and see the output. So the largest number, largest, you have to put here largest please, and run it again. Largest is 30. So like this you can make a comparison program of between three variables and between three numbers that you are assigning. So thank you very much for seeing this piece.